One more question in this video. The question is, a carrier is frequency modulated with maximum frequency deviation of 16 kilohertz. That means what is given? Delta F is given, right? Maximum frequency deviation is nothing but your delta F, and that is 16 kilohertz. Message signal frequency is given 4 kilohertz. What is given? FM is given, F suffix M, that is message signal frequency. What you have to find out? Beta value and bandwidth. Okay, so answer is quite straightforward here. Beta value is equal to delta F divided by FM, you know, and easily get your beta value here. Once you get the beta value, you can get the bandwidth, which is equal to 2 times beta plus 1 into FM. Right, and again same question, repeat above if message signal amplitude is doubled and frequency is reduced to 1 kilohertz. So next case in B part, what you do, message signal amplitude is doubled, right? See here amplitude is not given, but you have to consider the amplitude delta F. Okay, now next time you have to compute separate delta F, right? See delta F is equal to, you know, it is Kf into AM, right? See what happens to the delta F? What happens to the delta F? See, when you reduce the amplitude by half, okay, amplitude double, okay, signal amplitude double, right? Signal amplitude double. So when signal amplitude is doubled, your Kf remains same. Definitely what will happen to your delta F? Delta F is also doubled, right? Okay. Now frequency is reduced. Frequency of the message signal is reduced to 1 kilohertz. Find out what is the beta and what is the bandwidth. Right? Let us see that. Given delta F is equal to 16 kilohertz, FM is equal to 4 kilohertz. Very well you know the relation beta is equal to delta F by FM, or delta F is equal to beta times FM. So you substitute delta F and FM. Okay? You substitute delta F and FM. You get beta value is equal to 4. Now from there you can get the bandwidth of an FM signal, which is equal to 2 times beta plus 1 into FM. That is 2 into 5 into 4, okay, is equal to 40k. Now next time what will happen? You know that initially delta F is 16 kilohertz, right? Okay. Now what happens that when your AM is doubled, okay, when AM is doubled, you know delta F is equal to Kf into AM, right? Right? When for this, when the AM, that is amplitude of the message signal, is doubled, definitely delta F is become into multiply by 2. Then new delta F is going to be 32. Okay, delta F is also doubled, you know, right? When delta F is doubled and your signal frequency, message signal frequency is 1 kilohertz, beta changes. Now beta is equal to 32 now. Right? The second case, beta has become 32. Now for that beta, can you calculate bandwidth? Bandwidth is equal to 2 times beta plus 1 into FM. That is 2 into 33 into 1 kilohertz, which is going to be 66 kilohertz. So this is the solution for this particular problem, okay, which is just given here. This is the solution. So this is the explanation for this particular question. It is straightforward, direct substitution, you can do it. Don't forget the formulas, basic formulas, relation between beta, delta F and bandwidth and general equation of FM. Don't forget all those things and try to do your question.